Hello everyone, my name is R.Sathya Priya, working as an head and assistant professor, Department of English in Kaiser College of Arts and Science for Women. In this video, I am going to talk about language and linguistics in a brief way. The first one is Unit 1, and in Unit 1 we have the topic Descent of English Language from the Indo-European Family. Before getting to the topic, we all have to know the definition of language because this paper is language and linguistics. Language is dynamic because it will change and it has been changing. Next one, when we ask somebody what is language, we all would say language. It is a tool used to express our emotion, thoughts. Only by using language we can interact with each other. But as a literature student, we all have to know where language is originated from. And this is the first topic, descent of English language from the Indo-European family. We have language from Angles and Saxons because Angles and Saxons they invaded, and from their language only English has started to evolve. And here I have given the tree of Indo-European family. So here we can see W German, which means a West German, and the East German and Scandinavian. Then we have Old English period, then Middle English period, then Modern English period. And this is the family chart of Indo-European family in a precise way. And next one, so English, after we all coming to know where we got the language, and it is purely a West Germanic language. What is the another word for West Germanic language is Teutonic, and as I said in the beginning of the video, language is purely dynamic, it is not a static, and language is non-instructive, so that only it is called as arbitrary. So this is the precise information about the first unit, the origin of English language from the Indo-European family, and English language is entirely West Germanic. And Unit 2 we have Old English, Middle English and Modern English period. What are all the changes occurred in the word from Old English period to Modern English period? We have a great vowel shift, we have changes in pronunciation, we have changes in the spelling, particularly after the invention of the printing press of William Caxton in the time of 1470 time. And what are the influence of Greek, Latin, Scandinavian, French and Indian? We all know we are using English language that not only we got from completely India or from some other country. So our language is the mixture of many words from the foreign words. So we have got many words from the foreign words. For example, if you take some other words from Latin, we have example called belt, butter, chest, cup and wine. And Scandinavian, so we got words like egg, sky, law and husband. And Celtic language, we have some words like car, rose, and also some Celtic origins we know. And in the next slide, I am going to tell about the French word. We all know Charles the First, he ruled England, and after the execution of Charles the First, England people, they invited Charles the Second from the French country. So Charles the Second, he was from French. He was called as Restoration King, and when he came to French country to England, he had some French influence, and he started to introduce some of the words in the French language. And Charles the Second time all the theatres were opened, and many words related to food, fashion and all those things we got from only the French language. So if you see any food and design related words, dress related words, it is absolutely French words because the influence of the Charles II arrival in England. So these first two units are very simple, and it provides a basic information about the language and the origin of the language. And in upcoming video, I am going to tell you once the language is developed, how linguistics, how the people started to study about the language, and over the changes in over the span of the time, all those things we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.